Hey everyone, today's project is a broken mailbox post. So let's take it from looking like this to this in no time at all. So when I came home one day, my mailbox looked like this. It got totally smoked either by a car or it could have been even an insect because my post was pretty rotten and I'm not getting any mail in this box anymore. So I got out some tools. I got a screwdriver, a level, tape measure, a speed square, a socket wrench, and a battery operated drill. Also got out a circular saw to cut my pressure treated post. And also, of course, always use your safety goggles or safety glasses and ear protection when using power tools. I also needed a post hole digger, a shovel, and a little trowel to take care of all of the rock and dirt and debris around there. And I used a mini sledge and a concrete chisel to break up the old concrete. I used this instant post set. It was really quick to set up, and so I got that at my local hardware store. But wait, make sure you're checking on your measurements first with the post office. You want to make sure you're at the right height, and you also want to make sure that any of the other rules that your postal system has in place wherever you live are met so that when you install this, you get it right the first time. When I checked out where my post had broken, I had a lot of concrete down there. It was not in the best shape, so I did decide to go ahead and get rid of all of that and go ahead and use that new post concrete to set up a new post. So I dug all the concrete out. It was a little bit of work, but got a wheelbarrow and hauled it away, cleaned up the hole a little bit. And then at the bottom of the hole, I went ahead and put in some pea gravel just for a little extra drainage. I needed my post to be 2 feet below grade, so I had to dig down a little bit. My post is going to be 2 feet above, 2 feet below. There's a lot of different types of mailboxes. Here's a couple different types. These are not the types that I had, but if you needed a longer post, you would just need to make sure to measure for that and make sure you cut your post exactly to the size you need. So with mine, I got mine in 2 feet below and 2 feet above. I used some scrap lumber to hold it in place, and I did a bunch of measuring because I really didn't want to do this project twice. Made sure it was nice and plumb and straight, and got some concrete into the hole. Like I said, this set up really fast, so I got it how I wanted it. And I left it like this. I actually left it overnight, which was totally unnecessary. It's just I ran out of time in the day. So once I got that all done, I did leave a little bit of room at the top. You can tell I wanted to have 3 or 4 inches of topsoil on top of that. So now it's all set. And then I did some quick double checking on how my mailbox was fitting on the post. Then I filled it in with dirt, so it's nice and filled in, which I'll then cover with some rock here. I have a couple of lag bolts in the front, which is all that holds this type of mailbox on there. These are the existing ones I just reused and put it right back on there. It took no time at all. I did pre-drill some holes to help with getting those lag bolts to fit in there easier. Here's what the back of the mailbox looks like. And what I ended up needing was a 4-foot long 4x4 pressure treated post, which fit 2 feet into the ground and then 2 feet above the ground for the type of mailbox I had. And here it is now, ready to go and receive mail again, good as new. If this was helpful, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.